Did Thrasher make the worst skate park ever? We're about to find out. We're here with Chloe, the best skateboarder in the world. Why are you laughing? So we're in San Leandro, California, and this is called Thrasher Park. I think I might have been here a long time ago, but it's been a very long time, and I'm very excited today because my foot is kind of healed. Okay.
You said it was fully healed.
You know what? To each his own. Please tell me we can get in there. Wait, actually,
There's gotta be a way. Maybe through here.
this skate park is not a prison, but it is a prison. Like,
It does look like a prison.
it does. It fully does.
Yeah.
And it's 2 fences deep in there.
Are we sure it's not a prison?
Not totally sure. Thrasher Skatepark hours. I don't know. Do we go around?
Yeah, let's go around. We'll just check it out.
If we walk all the way over there and we can't get in, I'm gonna be pissed. Like, maybe it has hours? Operational hours?
But why would Saturday not be in operational hours for a skate park?
It's literally Saturday at noon. Oh, look at this. I'm a genius.
You're a genius?
Yeah,
Why?
because I just walked through here.
But I was the one who said we needed to go around.
Chloe, you're a genius.
Thank you.
Okay, but seriously, somebody designed this park and they were like, make it as difficult as possible to enter the park. Then only the skaters with the highest of IQs will be able to arrive in
That's
said park.
right.
So this is a tour video where Chloe is gonna say what the obstacle is called, and then she's gonna call out a trick for me to do. Yes. Yes. Oh yes, it is bad. It is very bad. My foot already hurts, but that's okay. It hurts good. It hurts in the good way. Okay, Chloe, start us off. Why did you put your
Wow.
board down?
Well, because I thought you were doing the trick.
Get your board, you poser.
I don't want to make you look
Yeah,
bad.
please make me look bad. We have no idea if Thrasher Magazine had anything to do with building this park at all. I actually literally have no idea. It's just called Thrasher Park. But I just pulled up some of the reviews and I thought this was dead hilarious. Been there multiple times, IDK. I just put 5 stars, but kind of depressing. Leave it in the comments below.
All right.
Okay, we're starting right here.
Yeah.
Okay, what's this called? Part of this video is, can a beginner name an obstacle and can a beginner name a trick? And then the other part is, can Aaron do that trick?
Okay, I don't know.
No idea?
Okay, well,
I-
I know you can do a manual.
I actually don't know what this is called either. I mean, I think back in my day when I was a kid, we would
Yeah.
call this a fun box.
Okay.
But I should have let you give it a name. Here, hold my phone. But I don't know. It's not really a pyramid because it doesn't have the sides. It just has up, down. And then this, I guess, would be called like, yeah. Okay, manual. She's
But-
calling me out on the manual.
But wait, a manual ramp or a manual pad,
Yeah,
it doesn't have these things on it, right?
right, that's right.
Okay.
So you put those things on it. I believe it's called then a fun box? I don't know. Leave it in the comments below what this is called.
Okay.
First try! Oh, wow. Okay, I'm a little bit scared that I'm gonna hurt myself all over again. I gotta ease into skateboarding, you know? Okay.
How good does it feel to be able to do it though?
It feels so good to
Yeah.
be out here on this Saturday afternoon, skate or dying. Please don't die, knock on wood. Okay, fun box.
Okay, fun box. You.
I don't think I'm quite ready with my foot to jump onto something, but just for the comedic aspect, what do we call this? Just this.
I know this is coping.
Okay, pretty good.
What do we call just this?
Yeah, this thing right here. This whole section there.
I literally have nothing in my head. It's just blank.
Literally, I have nothing in my head. It's just blank. It is called a hubba.
Oh, of course.
Do you know why?
No.
Because hubba is a slang word for crack.
Oh, you explained this to me before.
Yeah. And in San Francisco, there's a famous ledge, and they called it Hubba Hideout because it was where all the crackheads would go to hide out and smoke crack. And then they would skate this ledge. I think I can jump on and ride off.
No, I'm not there yet.
You're not there yet?
Mentally to let you do that.
Okay, you're right. Probably shouldn't do that. But you know what? I do what I want. Okay, next obstacle. Actually, you're running this show.
Okay, this.
Like just this thing right here.
Yeah.
Okay, name it.
Wait, didn't you just say it?
No, I just said this thing right here.
Remember
That's
it's
good, though.
something.
This is
with-
probably my favorite
It's like a
obstacle to
hip
skate
or something.
Okay, that's pretty good.
Right?
No. But that was pretty good. Like, that was a pretty good guess.
Okay.
This right here is a hip.
Oh, I see.
It has to go over the side.
I'm pretty sure you've explained this to me like 30 times. It just doesn't register.
Someday, when we're really bored, we're gonna take all the videos and then we're gonna do all the times when I've explained it to Chloe and then all the times when she forgot. Okay, give me a trick.
Okay, tray flip.
Freaking A, are you kidding me? You're kidding, right?
You could probably just do a kick flip and I wouldn't know the difference.
Yeah, you will. I don't know that I can tray flip yet. Maybe I can. If I land primo though, eek!
Is that too hard?
I need to warm up to it.
Okay, so I need to do a different one.
Do a little warm up. Tray flip is definitely something I have not yet done. Since broken my foot. Okay, we out
did
here.
it.
I was thinking more like a shove it. Wow, first try, kick flip. Wow, even that's terrifying, so scary. Okay, if I land this kickflip on flat first try, I'm doing it on the bank.
Okay.
And if I don't, call my doctor and tell her I'm sorry.
Wow.
Let's go, first try. Wow! Why is my life so hard? Okay, that's it. Why? That's it. Thrasher Magazine. With Thrasher Magazine empowering me, I will land a kickflip. Yes!
Yay!
You know who I bet would love this park and absolutely kill it here? Jason Park. Shout out Jason Park. You're the best.
But
okay.
why though?
You know why I had that exact thought?
Why?
So he skates this park in Hawaii. I think the coping is a little similar. This is not normal. This is not your normal coping.
Yeah.
Something different about this. And the banks, and he's just really good at really hard to skate stuff.
Okay.
He's just really good, period.
I see.
Okay, next obstacle. I can't even talk. What do you call this?
Well, I don't know.
If you don't know the name of this, you're just lying.
Well, like you would think that it's like the whole thing like this.
Yeah?
Okay, I know this one.
Yeah, you do. This one you actually know.
Wait, what is a half pipe?
Is that your final answer?
No, that wasn't like a Jeopardy thing. Like, what is a half pipe?
You're gonna name what this is right here. I'm not saying nothing.
It's a half pipe.
Oh, she got it. You know what we're gonna start doing, Chloe?
What?
We're gonna start playing Tony Hawk's Pro Skater.
I'm in.
Yeah, okay, so give me a trick.
You are going to rock to fakie.
Okay, thank you. I was waiting for her to say, hard flip. This is, oh, okay, we're out.
Good job.
I'm proud of myself for that. Okay, next obstacle.
You're gonna ollie over that thing.
Over this thing.
Yeah.
Who's got the CGI? We need AI CGI. Okay, I got it. This is like the one thing I might be able to do an actual trick in this whole park. Yes!
Amazing.
Guess who's back? Back in town. Aaron's back. He can skate. Well, at least I did a manual.
But wait, I'm confused because you said this is the one trick, but you've just done like 100 tricks.
Yeah, but those weren't tricks. Those were like poser tricks.
No, they were not.
Yeah, okay,
You would be so proud of me if I did any of those.
You are correct. And that makes you the ultimate poser. So what is this called?
This guy is called a Manny pad on top of a quarter pipe.
What the beep?
Wait, is it really?
Yeah, how'd you know that?
I don't know. That one I kind of get.
That one you kind of get?
Yeah.
Because that's a half pipe and this is half of a half, which would make it a quarter pipe.
That's right.
Easy money.
Yeah.
Next obstacle in there. I'm gonna drop in and hopefully not eat it. This.
All right.
What's this called?
A bowl.
What the heck?
Is
How
it?
all of a sudden you know everything? I didn't expect you to get that, to be
Really?
honest.
You
Yeah.
didn't?
No.
Well, because it looks like a bowl.
Yeah, see, it's funny. Some skateboarding names like make total sense. And then you go into like hubba. Yeah, like who would know that? Hubba.
Hubba, yeah. See, those ones I will never remember.
Leave it in the comments below if you know about Hubba, the wheel company. Chloe's favorite wheel company.
Oh yeah, I totally repped them.
You did. I believe you did rep them. Do you know what it is, Derek?
Sounds familiar, but
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm gonna show you guys later what Hubba the wheel company was. Chloe's favorite. Okay. So give me a trick.
So I would like you to just like have fun and go around.
Have fun and go around.
Yeah.
All right. You know, I think this is good for my foot because what I can't really do, how I broke my foot was like that, overextending. So like even that right there hurts quite bad.
Oh.
So I'm not supposed to do that, but like I'm getting my toes like woken back up again, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
You know, it's all stiff. So this is good. Especially pumping is good for it, I think. I'll ask my doctor though, she'll probably say no. And my doctor said I'm not allowed to skate. Eat this, doctor. Oh my gosh, I'm having so much fun. Okay, I ain't gonna lie, this is quite fun.
Right?
Okay, mission accomplished?
Mm-hmm.
Woo! Woo! Rock and roll. Ah! Okay, chill out.
I love that.
No, I got it brand new, fresh, complete, and now I have those lines though.
Well,
Dang
what
it.
do you think was gonna
I
happen?
gotta set up a new board now. Just kidding, just kidding. I'm fully kidding. They're gonna roast me for that.
Okay.
Not really much left here.
No, it's this guy.
What's this called?
Ooh. That one, I don't know. Wait, is it the same thing as that one?
Please, please help me.
What is it?
What is it?
I literally, a volcano.
What the?
Is that what it is?
What's that one?
Which one?
That, on the other side.
The Manny? Oh, quarter pipe.
So what's that?
A quarter pipe.
Why is that a quarter pipe and that's a volcano?
Because that has a curve on the
Okay,
side.
fair enough.
It
Okay.
looks like it would be.
I think if only it was just a full circle on top and that's all it was, you could justify the volcano.
Oh, I see. See, I was only looking at that corner.
Okay, give me a trick.
Okay, wait. No, so that's the quarter pipe and that would be a volcano.
Not really. We would just call this a quarter pipe.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, but you could, I'll let you have your dreams of whatever you want that to be.
Okay, so I would like you
Yeah,
to drop in
yes,
and go to the other quarter pipe
yes,
and do a trick of your choice at the top.
of your choice.
Is that hard to do?
Yeah, super hard, especially since the ground. You know what's weird about this? Like when you make a skate park, just make it out of the same material. Like if this is cement, make that cement.
Yeah.
Don't make it like cement and then asphalt. You know what I mean?
I know what you mean.
Although I'm sure this was just asphalt and then they just put this there. I don't know, whatever. I'm glad that they have this skate park at all. So all the kids that skate here, which I've literally never seen anybody here, can enjoy this place. Oh! Okay, that was a trick of my choosing.
Okay. Very well done.
Yes! My favorite obstacle, save the best for last. That one.
Okay, now that is a ramp that leads up to a mani pad.
And what do we call that ramp?
We call it a ramp.
We could call it a ramp. You know what man ramp is?
Absolutely not.
Shout out man ramp. Leave it in the comments below.
Wait, man ramp is like a company?
You could say that, yes.
Okay.
You could also say it's a man with a piece of plywood.
Oh, like someone holding it up?
Yeah, you've never seen that.
Oh, you did show me that one
Yeah,
time.
man ramp.
Yeah,
He's
man
a man,
ramp.
and he's a ramp. So I would call this a bank.
A
And then what's on
bank.
top of it?
A mani pad,
I mean, kind of.
right?
Kind of. It's more of a ledge. I'd call this a bank to ledge.
A bank to ledge.
Yeah.
Okay, what makes it a ramp versus a bank?
So that's a great question. I think a ramp is just like everything here is a ramp, in my opinion, I guess.
Okay.
Or maybe my educated like 30 years of skateboarding knowledge. Like I would say, oh, we built a ramp. It could be that, it could be that, it could be that, if you want to be very specific. But a bank, just any flat. So this has like curvature, so it becomes a quarter pipe. That has no curvature, it's a bank.
Oh, I got
And on
it.
top it's a ledge. Skateboarding lingo is kind of, you know, we just make it up as we go.
But what?
Give me a trick.
But why is that a ledge and not a mani pad?
So it's not, that's a tough. Like you could say it's a mani pad, I guess, but technically a mani pad would be like, you go straight on, ollie up and onto the top like that.
Oh, I got it.
Whereas
Okay.
this, what you're gonna do really there You can do manual tricks on this, but it's more of a ledge.
Okay, more of a ledge. Okay, good.
I love how she's actually trying to learn it.
I know, and I'll forget it by tomorrow.
I know, by our next skate park, which is 20 minutes. So give me a trick.
So you're gonna ride up the bank?
Yeah.
What can you do there?
Anything, girl. I am on fire.
A Benihana.
A Benihana? I don't generally curse in the videos, but this might. Benihana, first try? Okay, that was a sorry excuse for a Benihana. Get your skateboard and ride this, Chloe. Whoa!
There we go.
Oh, we're back, boy! So fun! Okay, I got a trick for you, Chloe.
Okay. Whoa!
Name it!
Caveman.
Yeah, pretty good. I actually have no idea what that's called.
That is cool looking.
It's cool, right?
Yeah.
I can teach you. I want to do like an actual trick.
What are these that you're doing?
Poser tricks! Like an actual trick. Like that people on the other side of that screen would be like, whoa, Aaron can skate again.
What are the tricks that would be? A hard flip.
Yeah, hard flip would be one.
Okay. A
Probably
gazelle
body.
flip.
A what?
A gazelle flip.
A gazelle flip. Forking A. You know what that is?
That's a kick flip with one foot.
A gazelle flip?
Oh, a
is
gazelle.
like a bigger spin kick flip, like it's like a lot.
Oh, okay, then just do a dolphin flip.
I never dolphin flip. Ouch! All right, Casper flip it is.
Okay, do a popcorn.
A popsicle?
Yeah.
Why? I don't know why it's scary on my foot. See, there's already enough excuses just skateboarding in general.
Yeah.
Then you're coming back from an injury. It gives you ultimate excuse.
Mm-hmm.
The sun is out, it's hot, sun blocking my eyes. Chloe's looking at me. I need to land with my foot on the tail like that. Then go like that.
Okay, on the bank?
On the bank.
How would you do that on a bank?
Like this! Ah! No!
Oh my gosh! Did that hurt you?
Please don't tell my doctor. Dr. Potter, you're the best. Yeah, it hurt.
Remember when we ran into your anesthesiologist at the park?
So we were in Golden Gate Park and we're filming some videos. We're just leaving. And this group of kids comes up and they're like, Aaron, can we get a photo with you? And then this guy was like, hey, I did your anesthesia for your surgery. And I was like, what up? I don't remember you. I don't remember anything. Ah! So good, too clean. One more for the ROAD.
First try.
First try. Strawberry milkshake up in here. I'm not gonna lie, that was the funnest single day of my whole existence. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let's leave it in the comments for Chloe. And we hope you enjoyed this. We'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.